everybody. Got a quick little video, unboxing video here today. We have the AGM Taipan. See on the side here. The focus. TM15 384 Thermal Imaging Monocular. Let's take a look inside. So, I haven't opened it yet. All I did was cut the tape there. Actually, first, do a little tease. Let's just look at the back of the box. So once again, here, like I said, I have the 15384. So that one on the left side of the chart. Feel free to pause and take a look. But yeah, nice handheld monocular. Was at a hunting outdoor convention a month ago. Met the guys over here at Kenzie's Optics. They got us set up with this AGM here, along with maybe something else. But right now we're just doing the unboxing of this binocular. So feel free to pause it and take a look at all the specs. Honestly, I didn't go too much into it when we bought this, when me and somebody else bought these things, but yeah, let's take a look inside. What I've heard is that it's pretty good quality, definitely more on the entry level side of things, but nonetheless at a fair price. So maybe that's where we're going. Maybe that's what they're going for. These folks are out of Arizona. Pretty cool. USA made, and as far as I know. Do not return to store. Just some more stuff. Charge the unit prior to using. That is a tough thing to do. We'll try to abide by that. It looks like we've got a cleaning cloth. Very thankful for that. We don't want our lenses to get dirty or anything. So, yep. Taipan Thermal Imaging Monocular. We'll take a peek at that maybe while the device is charging, but just some foam to keep it in place and prevent any movement or bumping during transportation. And boom, here we go. Check that out. I was looking at the box. This piece was actually in back order, and looking at the box, it was just made January 24. So must be a good seller. Maybe with all the trade shows as well. This last month, the guys we were talking to were out and about everywhere. So we got a little cover for the lens here, and try to do this one-handed. Very nice. Little AGM branding on this side. I believe that's a focus knob. Don't quote me on it yet. No, but so far, initial impression, very nice. Has an internal rechargeable battery. So we have a USB port on the bottom. Cover this lens up. Alright, we got that lens covered up. We see that on the bottom here, next to kind of like a camera mount. It's a little screw mount. There's a USB-C port. From what I understand, is you're able to record with this device, in addition to so that can transfer the videos that you record. In addition, it has a rechargeable battery, so that's most likely how you recharge the device, or charge the device. Yeah, so we'll see what else is in here. We'll set this to the side. Make sure that doesn't go anywhere. Pull this other box out. So my box did get a little ding, but it came inside another big brown box. I don't know what that's about. It must have just got, as it was being transferred or manufactured, little dinged up. So I'm just going to dump out what we have here. Hopefully nothing breaks. Alright, so this is interesting. Okay, looks like it came with both North America standard electrical plug you get with your devices, in addition to a Euro kind of UK mount or plug. Interesting. Okay. Came with this nice USB-C to USB-A cord, so we'll get that plugged in and charging. And then this kind of neoprene material, case. So we don't get a hard case with this. I might go out and get one separately just so the monocular can be protected at all times. But yeah, that's everything that came in this Taipan. What is it again? Taipan TM15 384. We have a Euro kind of UK plug, the monocular itself, nice neoprene travel case protected to protect it while you're on the go. USB-C to USB-A. North America electrical outlet plug. Some more padding and protection. The manual itself. Nice microfiber cloth. Looks like that's pretty decent size. And then just some warnings from the manufacturer, in addition to kind of a quality mission statement of AGM. So, yep, that concludes today's short little unboxing. We'll do a review maybe, or kind of follow up so we can see all the different things we can see both at night and at day. All right, I did want to add in as well. Got this device charging up for the first time. That's what it says to do before you use it. And it looks like on the inside here there is a kind of charge status button or light. I mean, so we see that as red, so it's charging up. I'm assuming that'll switch. Hopefully, it'll switch to green when we're all good to go. All right, thanks. We'll see ya. Peace.